How to fix TikTok can't follow on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok can't follow on Android phone. First, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again. Now just type here TikTok and click on it and then click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and then just go to data usage and check this one here, background data. Maybe you'll find it like that, then just enable it and then just go back, and that's it. Now just restart your phone and try again, it must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.